Hello and welcome to MacX and this tutorial on how to record your screen and also record your audio, both internal and external. And to record your screen you can easily use QuickTime, but if you want to record both internal and external audio you also need a couple of other programs. And those are SoundFlowerBed and Audacity. And if you don't have them, it's easy enough, they're free, so we'll get to that. But first off, let's check out QuickTime, because I think you've got it already. And if you don't have it, I think you can download it for free from Apple. Open QuickTime and up to File, New Screen Recording. Just push that and you get a little player like this. And it's pretty straightforward. There's a record button, push it. And if you just click after having clicked that, you will record all of your screen. But if you drag, you can make a smaller screen to record. So right now it isn't recording anything, but if I push anywhere, it starts recording. So let's record for a couple of seconds and then push stop. And then it opens up the video that is just recorded. And if I push play, you won't see much, but you see the screen. Everything except the player. It doesn't record itself, which is good, but that is it. So when you have recorded this, you can either go up to File and Export, or if you're lazy like me, you just push the close button and it will open a save menu for you. So just choose where you want to save it and push save. And you can choose what format you want to save it as, if you want a lower resolution, or just movie if you want the proper resolution that you're recorded in. But I don't want to save this right now. But we have to open it up again, new screen recording. In this little triangle you can choose what audio source you want to record from. So if you just want to record your screen and audio from your microphone, like me right now, I can choose Samsung, which is my external microphone. So now you should see some waveforms, right? And if you don't have an external microphone, you can always use the built-in microphone. It works just as well. It's not quite as good, but if I push record now and just push one more time to record the entire screen, and we can listen to what that sounds like. So let's open up the video again. I'm stopped recording now. And we can listen to what that sounds like. So there we go, that's how you record with audio inside QuickTime. But the thing is, if you want to record both a microphone like this and the audio from your computer, it's a little bit tricky, but we'll get to that. So if I open up some audio track, so you can hear, but it doesn't show up here, because if I start recording right now, it will only record my external microphone, because that was what I chose. So unfortunately, you have to only record my external microphone. And that is because the program can only process one audio source at a time. So you need a second program to make this work, to record both internal and external audio. And recording internal audio is quite tricky in the first place. You need a program, like I said, SoundFlowerBed, and it's free and you can get it from their webpage at Rogue Amoeba. I'll leave a link in the description. Just push the download button and save it to your computer and put the program into your applications. You might have to install it. I don't remember actually. It's quite some time since I installed it. So then you can open the program up, SoundFlowerBed. It's a pretty little flower. And when you open it up, you won't notice anything special, but up here there will be a flower. So just push that one and you can see under 2 channels you should have built-in output chosen, because that is your internal device. You might have other stuff, but this is the normal output for Soundflower and your computer. And in here you also need to choose SoundFlower 2 channel, because, and now you see my voice disappeared because now it doesn't care about my microphone, it only cares about the audio inside the computer. And there's also one more step you need to do. Inside your system preferences, under sound, you need to choose under output SoundFlower as well. So that's 3 steps to get the internal audio to record. You need to have SoundFlower open with the built-in output chosen under 2 channels. Never mind the 64 channels, that could be off, but under 2 channels, built-in output on. You need to choose SoundFlower from this one, and you also need to let your computer know that you're using SoundFlower under output. Input doesn't matter in this case, it should be output. So when all of those three are done, you can start recording your computer audio. But only your computer audio. My voice as I'm speaking over this track won't be recorded. It's only the internal track that will be recorded. So if we check out this recording I just made. There is no audio from my microphone. And that's where the third program comes into play. You need a program, an audio recorder. You can get any kind you want, but I recommend Audacity. It's free and works very good for Mac. So I'll leave a link in the description to their page as well, and you can just download the version that is good for you. And put it in your applications just as you did with SoundFlower and open it up. And when you open it up, I've got one running right now that is recording my microphone. It looks something like this. And if you haven't used an audio editor before, don't panic because it's quite straightforward. All you need to care about to make a recording is where does my audio come from. And since your QuickTime is recording the internal audio, we got SoundFlower chosen because it's recording whatever the computer is playing. Then Audacity have to record our microphone. And here in the middle of the screen you see a microphone. I can't choose it right now because I'm recording, but there might be internal microphone and there is SoundFlower and other stuff as well. But choose your external microphone if you got one, or your internal microphone if that's what you're recording with. The output could be your normal built-in output. You don't have to choose SoundFlower here. I don't think you need that. So then you just push record and it starts recording all of your audio like this. And when you're done recording, you just hit stop and you go up to archive or menu, I don't know what it says in English, and then there's export. And when you push that, you can choose whatever format you like. If you want to export as a WAV file or a AAF or something else. So you need 3 programs running to record both video and internal and external audio. You need QuickTime to record your desktop video and your internal audio chosen as SoundFlower. And to do that you need SoundFlower running, and you need to put SoundFlower into your system. So SoundFlower should be in 3 places: your system preferences and QuickTime, and as well as chosen up here as built-in output. And then you choose Audacity to record your external microphone. But if you don't need both internal and external audio, then you're good to go with just QuickTime Player. Then you just choose your internal microphone maybe, or your SoundFlower to get the internal audio. But nevertheless, you need SoundFlowerBed to record your computer's internal audio. There's no way around it. Maybe there is, but none as easy as SoundFlowerBed. It's the best way to do it. And I think I forgot to show you, if you only want to record a part of the screen, you could, after you click record, you can drag and choose if you just want to record maybe a window or something. And when you have chosen, you're not quite satisfied, you can always resize it before you're recording, and then you push start recording. And then you only record this portion. So if I stop the recording, you should see that only the window or the part of the screen that I chose is recorded. So that's basically it for recording your desktop and your internal audio and your external audio. So check in for more tutorials and I'll see you soon.